In this video, I am going to show you how you can delete some project or any project from Google Cloud. So if you don't need any project, then you can follow this tutorial to delete that project. At first, we need to log in our Google Cloud account. So here is the address we just need to type: console.cloud.google.com. I'm going to show you from the beginning. So here I just open a new tab and then I'm going to paste that URL, and very shortly we'll see the Google Cloud Console window is there. Now to delete the project, at first we need to choose the project. So at first you need to choose from here. You can click here, it will give you every project listed under your account. Suppose I'm going to delete this project, YouTube project. So I just need to click here so that it will be selected and we'll see it over there. Now we need to click this hamburger icon or menu, whatever you can say. It will bring this type of options. From here we have to choose I am an admin. We have to move our cursor over there and it will be expanded. And from this expanded menu we have to go settings. I'm going to click settings and very shortly the settings window will be open. Now remember, here at first we need to shut down our project. So this is my project. This project is selected. This is the project I'm going to delete. Okay, then I'm going to press the cancel button. Now YouTube is here. This is fine. Now we need to press the shutdown button. I'm going to press it or click it and very shortly it will bring this thing. It is showing shutdown project YouTube. So this is the name of the project, and here couple of information is there, and here there is on text box, and here I need to type this thing or we need to select this thing. Here it mentioned to shut down project YouTube, type the project ID, this one. So I'm going to copy it and then I'm going to paste it over there. Once we type the exact ID, then we'll see shut down anyway, this button will be appeared. I'm going to click here and very shortly it will be shut down. So here it is showing project is pending deletion. Project YouTube is now shut down and scheduled to be deleted after January 6, 2026. So that means this project will be deleted very shortly after today. And that's it. In this way we can easily delete that project. Once you complete the shutdown and deletion, then you will see there is nothing is there. If you click here, you will see only one project is there. The other project is already deleted. And that's it. In this way we can easily delete a project from our Google Console account.